జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 7th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన యోగము 13th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I am filled up with so many divine qualities, unlimited divine qualities and attributes, but you don't know about it. Not only you, the entire world does not know about it, because this entire world, including you, is deluded by three gunas, sattva, rajas, tamo gunas. Your body, your indriyas, the things that you are experiencing, everything is mixture of these three gunas, and under the control of these three gunas, you are all captivated by these three gunas. That is the reason you do not know about me, that I have so many kalyana gunas. Not only that, Arjuna, I also have such a wonderful, divine, beautiful body which is beyond these three modes, sattva, rajas, tamo gunas. But you don't know about it, because you are deluded by those three gunas. Not only that, I am beyond these three gunas, and I am not affected by these three gunas. I am not controlled by these three gunas, and I always stay unchangeable, inexhaustible. But you don't know about it, because you are under the control of these three gunas. You are under the impact of these three gunas. Not only you, the entire world is under the impact of these three gunas. That is why world does not know about my supremacy and about my inexhaustible, unchangeable nature, and about my nature which is beyond these three gunas. This is how Krishna Paramatma declaring his supremacy. Now what we need to do is, whenever we get any sort of negative feelings that there is no Bhagavan, or Bhagavan is not doing me any favor, or Bhagavan is angry with me, something like this, we need to remember this fact what Krishna Paramatma said. What is that? Because we are under the impact of these three gunas, we get those kind of negative feelings. So we have to be alert, and we should get over those negative feelings, and we have to always believe that Paramatma is all compassionate, Paramatma has so many divine attributes, and Paramatma is always taking care of us. This is how we have to make the best use of Krishna Paramatma's message here. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tribhihi gunamayaihi bhavaihi yebhihi sarvam idam jagat mohitam nabhijanati mamebhyaha param avyayam. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma saying that always think about me, become my devotee, Keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Parama Rahasya Jnanam to Vidura and the process of this Srushti. Now Maitreya is saying that, O Vidura, Sakshat Paramatma, while he is in the Mahattattvam, he does sankalpam to see that Mahattattvam transforms as this entire Srushti. And then once the changes starts occurring in Mahattattvam, from there Aham Tattvam comes out. That Aham Tattvam is three types. One is Sattvika Ahankaram. Second one is Rajasa Ahankaram. Third one is Tamasa Ahankaram. And this Aham Tattvam is the cause of bodies and the sensory organs. This Sattvika Ahankaram is known as Vaikarikam. Rajasa Ahankaram is known as Taijasam. Tamasa Ahankaram is known as Bhutadi. And Manas comes out from Sattvika Ahankaram. There are adhishtanas for indriyas. They are known as Deva. Those adhishtanam of all indriyas also comes out from Sattvika Ahankaram. And then the Taijasa Ahankaram and Sattvika Ahankaram, with both of them together, brings out Jnanendriyas, Karmendriyas. And from Tamasa Ahankaram, Panchabhutas comes out, and their subtle forms also comes out. And Shabdam comes out from Tamasa Ahankaram. And from that Shabdam, Akasam comes out. And all this is being done with Paramatma's Sankalpam. Like this, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Balamukundashtakam. Ulukale baddhamudara sauryam. Uttunga yugmarjuna bhangalilam. Utpulla padmayata charunetram. Balam mukundam manasa smarami. Balam mukundam manasa smarami. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 13th sloka. Tribhihi gunamayaihi bhavaihi yebhihi sarvam idam jagat mohitam nabhijanati mamebhyaha paramavyayam. Tribhirgunamayair-bhavaihi yebhis sarvamidam jagat mohitam nabhijanati mamebhyah paramavyayam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.